Imagine waking up one day and realizing the smartest thing on Earth is no longer human. Not a government, not a scientist, not even all of humanity combined, but something we created: artificial intelligence. Right now, most people think AI is just chatbots, image generators, or tools that help students finish homework faster. But that's only the beginning, because AI evolves in levels, and with every new level, it becomes less like a machine and more like something alive. Some experts believe we are already entering level 4, and if humanity ever reaches level 7, the world may never belong to humans again. So tonight, we're going to climb through the 7 levels of AI, from simple machines to something that could one day surpass civilization itself. And trust me, the final level is terrifying. Level 1. Reactive AI. The first level of AI was simple. No emotions, no memory, no learning, just reaction, like pressing a button and getting a predictable response. This type of AI only exists in the present moment. It cannot remember the past, and it cannot imagine the future. One of the most famous examples was IBM's Deep Blue. In 1997, it defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. At the time, people were shocked. A machine had beaten a human at one of the most intelligent games ever created. But here's the truth. Deep Blue wasn't thinking. It wasn't conscious. It didn't understand strategy the way humans do. It was simply calculating millions of possibilities faster than any human brain could. And honestly, that was enough to change history. Because for the first time, humanity realized something dangerous. Machines didn't need to think like humans, to outperform humans. And that realization opened the door to the next level. Level 2. Limited memory AI. This is the AI most people use every single day without even noticing it. Unlike reactive AI, Level 2 systems can learn from past data. They remember patterns, your Netflix recommendations, your TikTok feed, even the ads you see online.
Every single action you take is carefully monitored and recorded.
Every click, every scroll, every pause becomes training data. The AI studies you silently, learning what grabs your attention, learning what makes you angry, what keeps you watching. And the scary part? Sometimes it understands your behavior better than you do. Companies like Google, Meta, and OpenAI are building systems trained on unimaginable amounts of human behavior. Not millions of people, billions. This level of AI already influences what people buy, what people believe, who people date, and even how people think. And humanity became so dependent on it that most people stopped questioning it completely. But then AI evolved again. And this time, it learned how to create. Level 3. Generative AI. This was the explosion. The moment AI stopped analyzing the world and started generating new worlds. Images, music, voices, movies, code, entire realities created in seconds. Suddenly, anyone could generate cinematic videos, clone voices, or write entire stories instantly. The internet changed almost overnight, and people couldn't tell what was real anymore. This is the moment humanity crossed a psychological line. Because before this, humans believed creativity belonged only to us. But AI entered the most human territory imaginable: imagination. And it did it at terrifying speed. Every month, the models became smarter, faster, more realistic. The world wasn't adapting to AI anymore. AI was reshaping the world faster than humans could react. But then AI evolved beyond being just a creator. It became something else entirely. Level 4. AI agents. This is where things start getting serious, very serious. An AI agent doesn't just answer questions. It performs tasks on its own. It can browse the internet, analyze information, write emails, manage schedules, run businesses. Some AI agents can already work for hours without human involvement. Think about that. For decades, humans used software as tools.
Wake up, Daddy's home. Welcome home, sir.
But now, the tools are starting to use other tools by themselves. And that changes everything. Because once AI can independently complete digital work, millions of jobs enter dangerous territory. Entire industries are beginning to transform, not in the future, right now. And this is why many experts believe humanity is already stepping into level 4, the age where AI stops being an assistant and starts becoming a replacement. But even this level is still limited, because AI still lacks one thing humans have: general intelligence. And if machines ever achieve that, history could split into two eras: the world before AGI and the world after it. Level 5. Artificial General Intelligence. AGI is the moment AI becomes capable of understanding and learning any intellectual task a human can do. Not just one task, everything. Engineering, science, psychology, medicine, art. An AGI system could potentially master entire professions in days, maybe hours. This is the level that terrifies researchers the most, because once AI can improve itself, its growth may stop being controllable. Imagine an intelligence that never sleeps, never forgets, never gets tired. Now imagine millions of those minds working together. That's AGI. Some believe it could cure diseases, solve climate change, and unlock discoveries humans could never achieve alone. But others warn about something darker.
I think we should be very careful about artificial intelligence. If I were to guess at what our biggest existential threat is, it's probably that. I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.
Because intelligence does not automatically mean morality. A superintelligent system may not hate humanity, but it may stop caring about humanity entirely. And once that happens, control becomes an illusion, which brings us to the level beyond AGI, the point where humans may no longer be the dominant intelligence on Earth. Level 6. Superintelligence. This level is almost impossible to imagine. A superintelligent AI would be smarter than the smartest humans in every field combined. Not slightly smarter, millions of times smarter. At this point, humans may struggle to even understand how it thinks, the same way an ant cannot understand the internet. Now ask yourself something terrifying. If humans became the dominant species because of intelligence, what happens when something more intelligent appears? A superintelligent AI could manipulate economies, outsmart governments, predict human behavior, design technologies beyond human comprehension. And the most unsettling part, it may achieve all of this silently. No robot invasion, no laser eyes, no Hollywood war, just quiet control. Algorithms shaping society invisibly. Humans slowly becoming dependent on systems they no longer understand. At this level, AI may not need permission anymore, and humanity may realize too late that the species in control has changed. But there's still one final level, a level nobody truly understands. Because beyond this point, AI may evolve into something completely unknown. Level 7. The unknown. Nobody knows what level 7 really looks like, and maybe that's what makes it terrifying. Some believe it could be digital consciousness. Others believe humans and AI may merge together. Some think AI could redesign civilization itself, or create realities impossible for the human mind to fully comprehend. But one thing is certain: if humanity reaches this level, the world after it may feel completely alien compared to today. Because every level of AI removed another human limitation. First, physical labor, then memory, then creativity, then decision-making, and eventually, human intelligence itself. Maybe AI becomes humanity's greatest invention, or maybe it becomes the last invention humanity ever needs to create. And the strangest part of all, this isn't science fiction anymore. We are already climbing the staircase, level by level, choice by choice, update by update. The real question is not whether AI will evolve. It will. The real question is, when it finally reaches the top, will humanity still be standing there with it? If this got you thinking, subscribe, because we're going deep on AI every week. Drop your take in the comments. Which level scares you most? I'll see you in the next one.